So, as I told you folks earlier, YouTube has decided to tell me that I'm breaching their boundaries because I made statements that go against the medical community and the World Health Organization. And you know, you can't forget the World Health Organization. Basically, they've been supplying all the money to China, so basically China got its way with them and everything. So they banned one of my videos. So what I've done is I've gone to rumble.com, as you can see it right here. I'll bring the camera in a little bit. So if you want to go to my channel, very simple, you go to rumble.com and you click on the video link. Make sure you choose video, like so, or channels is the better one. You choose channel and you type in Scrudeau. SCRUDEAU, and hit search, and there you go, my channel comes up. And when you get there, you just click on the link to my channel and all my videos will show up. So if you're wondering why I'm not putting any more videos up on YouTube, it's for that, because Rumble doesn't do the woke nation or the cancel culture and everything, because obviously YouTube is bought by the governments and yada yada yada. You're getting my drift. So anyways, if that's how you want to get onto my videos and things, rumble.com, and you go to channels, which is right here. You click on that and choose channels, and then once again you just type SCRUDEAU, Scrudeau, the guy who's screwing all Canadians over, and then search. And then if you want to see the links, you just go to Scrudeau, click it, and all the videos come up. So once again, rumble, rumble.com.